Throughout history, man has marveled at the vast complexity of the universe. Without a single unified voice, humanity has been left searching for answers to the unknown. Now, one man has the power to change that and to spread his voice across the earth for all of mankind to hear. One man. Me.
Sorry about that. Hi, I'm Darth Vader. I want to kill you. But seriously, I have a message. Let's go deliver it to the people. Pay your taxes. The government did not engineer 9/11. Everything the government says and does is good for you. Eat fast food. It is healthy. We promise. Don't get it. Start over. Darth Vader sings, and that's me. Thank you. Hello.
In January 1976, news broke of a phenomenon. Pictures showed an upright, bald ape called Oliver, who appeared to be a cross between a human and a chimpanzee, what scientists refer to as a humanzee.
The existence of Oliver represented the first really tangible bit of ostensible evidence for a human-chimpanzee hybrid.
Oliver's photograph shocked the world, and in the media frenzy that followed, he became an international celebrity.
Hi, my name's Dashiell, and though I have a smile on my face, I have a very serious message to bring across to you and the American public. Be aware! The government engineered 9/11. Deny globalization. Grow your own food. Do not believe in the police state. You have no obligation to pay your taxes. Taxes and the IRS are illegal. The Federal Reserve is a fraud. The government engineered 9/11. Thank you. I got something to tell you. You may not like it, but AIDS is a virus, and I ate Jade Papyrus. AIDS is a virus, Jade Papyrus. Oh. Now wait just a minute. You being bad! Hold on just 1 second. I'm trying to think about what could get done next. Wait. Okay, I got it. Check it out. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. I love swimming. I like swimming. The fish that I put on a dish. Oh, God. Swimming fishies. Swimming. Ah! Oh, who's that? Who's that? Who are you? Who's that?
Eigenen Trotz, eigene Beharrlichkeit, an werden wir wieder emporsteigen, genau wie die Väter einst aus Deutschland nicht das Geld erhielten, sondern...
Hello.
You are my sweetest love, that love I always wanna have.
I'm just so sad. I'm crying. I just can't do this anymore. I remember the day when the driver shot JFK and Bush squirted his jeans and I said, "Damn nigga! God! What are you doing to me? What are you doing? I can't take it anymore. Oh, God! Leave me and Ernie to be. Oh,
Trains and soaring machines catch me around here. They were here first. What you say? That you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is. What you say? That it is what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say? Rinse and nuts keep falling out your mouth.